In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create clean clothing product photos with PhotoRoom. Start by heading to photoroom.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, look for the Create a Design button on the dashboard. This is your starting point for building a polished product image from scratch. Next, choose Select Photos. This tells PhotoRoom you're ready to bring in your own image. Pick the clothing photo you want to use, ideally something well lit with the item centered and not cut off at the edges. Upload it and give it a moment to process. When your photo appears on the canvas, click Remove Background. PhotoRoom will automatically detect your subject and isolate it. This is what gives you that clean, professional look without distractions. After the background is removed, take a moment to adjust edges. Use the refine or brush tools to clean up any areas around sleeves, collars, or intricate textures so the cutout looks natural and crisp. Now open the Templates section. Here you can pick a brand style that matches your aesthetic, or keep it simple with a pure white background. White is great for marketplaces and catalogs, while a branded template can make your image stand out on social or your online store. Preview a few options and choose the one that best suits your product. With your background set, resize and rotate the clothing image to get the framing just right. Aim for balanced spacing on all sides and keep the item straight and centered. Small tweaks go a long way. Scale it so details are visible without cropping off important parts. If needed, add text or your logo. Keep text short and readable. Think product name, a key feature, or a simple headline. Place your logo in a corner or along the top or bottom so it complements the item rather than competing with it. Consistent placement helps your images look cohesive across your listings. When you're happy with the result, click Download to export your design. Choose PNG if you want to preserve a transparent background, or if you're saving a high-quality image for a catalog. Pick JPEG if you're using a white background and want a smaller file size for faster loading online. Save it to your device and you're ready to publish. That's it. Log in, create a design, select your photo, remove the background, refine, choose a template, adjust the layout, add branding if needed, and export as PNG or JPEG. Follow these steps and your clothing product shots will look clean, consistent, and ready to sell.